Sit down on the machine and place your toes on the lower portion of the platform with your heels extending off. Place your lower thighs under the lever pad and adjust the pad to fit snugly against your thighs. Now place your hands on top of the lever pad to prevent it from slipping forward. Lift the lever slightly by pushing your heels up and release the safety bar. This will be your starting position. Now inhale and slowly lower your heels by bending your ankles until the calves are fully stretched. Then exhale and raise your heels by extending your ankles as high as possible while contracting your calves. Hold the top contracted position for a brief moment, then slowly lower back to the starting position.